Let's practice our mixed consonant blends with short vowel U that says So let's start with our final blend NT, and we'll start with a beginning blend of GR. You ready? Let's tap and stretch our new word. Grunt. Good. Let's tap and stretch it again. Listen for the word. Grunt. Do you think you heard the word? Okay, let's say it fast. Grunt. Say it fast. Grunt. Yeah, a grunt is like one of those weird sounds, or there are even fish called grunts because they grunt. Let's change the front consonant blend to BL, and let's tap and stretch. Blunt. Tap and stretch it again. Blunt. Good. Say it fast. Blunt. Blunt. Yeah, a blunt object is not sharp, right? Let's put a BR in front this time. Let's practice that. Ready? Brunt. Good. Tap and stretch that again. Brunt. Good. Let's say it fast. Brunt. Say it fast. Brunt. Yeah, to take the brunt of something means to take the initial force or the beginning, the strongest part of it. Okay, let's see what this is. ST in front. Now, let's practice our new word. Stunt. Good. Let's tap and stretch it again. Stunt. Did you hear a word? Stunt. Good. Say it again. Stunt. Yeah. A stunt is like a trick, and a stunt man does stunts for the movies. That's awesome. Okay, let's change out our final consonant blend to MP. And we'll put this digraph, TH, in the front. Are you ready? Tap and stretch. Sump. Did you hear the word? Tap and stretch again. Thump. Good. Say it fast. Thump. Say it fast. Thump. Oh yeah, thump, thump, thump. Somebody's knocking on the wall or something, making a sound. Let's put ST in front of it and see what we get. Tap and stretch the new word. Stump. Let's practice that again. Stump. Did you hear a word? Let's say it fast. Stump. Say it fast. Stump. Yeah, there's a stump where we cut down the old tree. Let's put consonant blend CL in front. You ready? Tap and stretch. Clump. Good. Tap and stretch it again. Clump. Say it fast. Clump. Say it fast. Clump. There is a clump of dirt next to the old stump. Let's try consonant blend PL in the front. You ready? Tap and stretch. Plump. Good. Tap and stretch. Stretch the sounds out. Plump. Good. Say it fast. Plump. Say it fast. Plump. Yeah, those grapes are really plump and juicy. They're fat and juicy, aren't they? Let's try consonant blend SL in the front. Are you ready? Tap and stretch. Slump. Did you hear a word? Slump. Good. Say it fast. Slump. Say it fast. Slump. Yeah, a slump is when something goes down, right? Okay, let's see what happens when we use consonant blend ST at the end. And we'll use blend TR at the front. Okay. Now, let's tap and stretch our new word. Let's sound out this word. Trust. Did you hear a word? I bet you're right. Let's tap and stretch again. Trust. Good. Now let's say it fast. Ready? Trust. Say it fast. Trust. Yeah, trust. To have faith in somebody or something. Trust. Okay, let's change our front blend to CR. And we're going to tap and stretch our new word. Ready? Crust. Tap and stretch it again. Crust. Now let's say it fast. Crust. Crust. Yeah, pizza crust. Everybody loves pizza crust, right? No? You don't love pizza crust? Ah, I love it. Let's try some words with the consonant blend NK at the end. And we'll do TR in the front. Let's tap and stretch. Trunk. Did you hear a word? Let's do it again. Ready? Tap and stretch. Trunk. Let's say it fast. Trunk. Say it fast. Trunk. Trunk. There is a trunk in the back of my car, and a tree has a trunk, right? The wood at the bottom of the tree is the trunk. Let's try consonant blend SK at the beginning. Are you ready? Let's tap and stretch our new word. Skunk. Did you hear the word? Let's see if you're right. Ready? Skunk. Ooh, let's say it fast. Skunk. Say it fast. Skunk. Is that what you thought it was? Skunk? Good job. A skunk is a cute little animal that you don't want to pet, right? With a white stripe down its back. Let's tap and stretch our new word with DR, consonant blend, in the front. Drunk. Good, let's do that again. Drunk. Let's say it fast. Drunk. Say it fast. Drunk. Drunk. Yeah, drunk. Let's do this one. Ready? PL in the front. Tap and stretch. Plunk. Good, let's do it again. Plunk. Say it fast. Plunk. Say it fast. Plunk. Plunk. To toss something down is to plunk it on the ground. CL in the front. Are you ready? Clunk. Try again. Clunk. Good. Say it fast. Clunk. Say it fast. Clunk. Yeah, when I turn the key in the car, it makes this clunk, clunk, clunk sound. That's bad, right? Okay, ready? Tap and stretch. Stunk. Do it again. Stunk. Good. Let's say it fast. Stunk. Say it fast again. Stunk. Yeah, stunk. Something that was stinky, so it stunk, right? Great job doing mixed consonant blends with short vowel U. Good work today.